Welcome to This Ready to Craft. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this marvelous marble maze using Readi-Board. To begin, I've cut a full sheet of Readi-Board in half. This half is going to be the base of our maze, and the other half I've cut into 1-inch strips. I like to use straight pins to hold my pieces in place while the glue dries. To begin, we're going to create a border around the entire outside edge. I'm using white glue, but you could just as easily use hot glue. I will allow the outside edges to dry a little before moving on. Now we can begin building our maze. You can see I've cut some of the 1-inch strips into smaller pieces. It's a good idea to have your marble picked out already. This will determine how wide you're going to need to make your little aisles. I began my project by determining where one of my endpoints will be. Then I will simply build out from there. The nice thing about this project is it doesn't have to be precise. You can see that I'm estimating how long the pieces should be and where they should go. I like to keep my marble handy to make sure that I'm not making anything too narrow. While you're building your maze, keep in mind that you should add some dead end points. Once my maze is built, I will allow the glue to dry overnight. Now that everything is dried, we can remove our pins. Sometimes they can be a little tricky to remove. To get these ones, I like to use a bobby pin. I'm going to color code my beginning and end points using some crayons. Green for the start. A yellow star here. A blue square here. And finally, a red triangle. Now your maze is ready to solve. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you would like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.